के तपाईहरु अस्ट्रेलिया पढ्नको लागि जाने चाहनामा हुनुहुन्छ या फिर सोचिरहनु भएको छ? Well then, James Cook University could be the right option for you. A multicultural and vibrant society with a rich history. Being second oldest university in Queensland itself, you could apply at this university for different programs which are quite industry ready educations. यो युनिभर्सिटीमा तपाईहरुले IT, business, engineering, health, social work, hospitality and many kinds of courses लागि पढ्न सक्नुहुन्छ. Bachelor's, Master's होस् and even Master's in Research program को लागि options are available छ. Intake को कुरा गर्नु पर्दाखेरि चाहिँ there are plenty of intakes, the closest one being May intake itself, but application deadline आइसक्यो. यही March 31st मा हो application deadline र यदि तपाईको डकुमेन्ट्सहरु सबै रेडी छ, फाइनान्शियल्सहरु तपाईले प्रिपेयर गरिसक्नु भएको छ भने you can process at this university. For more information do visit KIEC.
KIEC क्यानाडा अस्ट्रेलिया हुन्छ बेलायत नि KIEC विदेश जाने पुरा हुन्छ सपना बच्चेदेखिको